Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Amazon Seller Central inventory updates from Dropshipping Tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Inventory tab on the top menu. Click on Manage Inventory to access your current listings. Open the dropshipping tool you are using. Locate the section that displays your current inventory levels. Cross-reference the inventory levels shown in your dropshipping tool with those in Seller Central. Take note of any discrepancies between the two platforms. If discrepancies exist, check your dropshipping tool's recent updates log. Verify if there were any recent changes in stock levels or listings. Review any notifications or alerts in your dropshipping tool for additional context. For live updates, refresh both your dropshipping tool and Amazon Seller Central. Confirm that your dropshipping tool is set to automatically update inventory levels. Manually trigger an update in your dropshipping tool if necessary. Wait a few moments for the updates to sync across both platforms. Recheck the inventory levels in Amazon Seller Central. Ensure they now match the numbers in your dropshipping tool. Document any issues you encounter during this process. Contact support for your dropshipping tool if inconsistencies persist. Keep records of your findings for future reference. Repeat this process regularly to maintain accurate inventory records. Become familiar with both platforms' features for effective management. Stay updated on dropshipping tool updates that may affect inventory synchronization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.